Hello, guys, and welcome to another episode. And today we are about to unbox this gadget, which is the Huawei Mediapad T5, and it's actually a 10.1 inches. And it's my first time to have a Huawei tablet, so I would really love to check it out. So please hit like, subscribe, and comment down below what are your thoughts for this video. And don't forget to click the notification bell. So guys, as you can see, this is the Huawei Media Pad T5, and we are gonna open it. So guys, we are about to do some unboxing of the Huawei Media Pad T5. So here we go. Just checking it out. I'm actually just using like my left hand to open it because the other hand is like taking the video. So this is it, guys. So as you can see, this is the tablet. It is 10.1. So we are just gonna turn this on. I think it's on the sides here. Let's see. Okay. There we go. It is the Huawei powered by Android. So let's just wait for it to load. So as you can see here, guys, I think this box contains like the accessories and stuff. We're gonna check it. So yeah, I guess this is the manual and the cable like to charge it. There's also this thing like if you're gonna insert like the SIM card, which I do have, but I'll just insert it later because mostly I'm gonna use this to like browse and stuff. I'm not really much gonna use it like outside, more of gonna use it in the home. And this one is the charging cable. So yeah, and I guess that is the accessories. And so this one has been loaded. I'm not sure if you guys can see the screen clearly, but because of probably of the light, so yeah, we'll just gonna set it up. So we'll just skip the part for the insert SIM card and just agree on the terms and conditions. Hit the agree button, just scroll here and then click next, and then just hit continue for it to do some updates, and just agree to this for the Wi-Fi service, the weather service, and then click next. And then of course we do have this network, so we're gonna connect to a Wi-Fi. So guys, as you can see, we have finally set it up with the Gmail account and everything. It's just need to update some apps, but it's pretty cool. It's got this cool features, and you could go to the Play Store, and there's lots of things to check out still. So I'm kind of new to this. Let's see what the tools are. So I'm gonna check those apps later. There's Notepad, there's Play Store and Google stuff. So I'm gonna check it out for now, like with the, maybe we could check the teams or something. So I would want to choose the city one. I think it's kind of cool. It really depends on like what your preference is, but yeah, I'm gonna explore the app a bit. Like, I think I like it. Let's see the camera. See how the camera is working. Okay. See, I'm gonna hit next. So let's see if the camera. So yeah, camera is pretty good. It's nice quality. Let's just try to flip it over. Let's see. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. Yeah, so overall I really love this Huawei tablet, the Mediapad T5. It's 10.1 inches and it's really got cool features. So thank you so much guys for watching, and please don't forget to hit like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and God bless.